Welcome to the GoCatch app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store for your device and download the GoCatch app. Open the GoCatch passenger app and create an account with your first name, mobile number and email address so you can receive all of your invoices electronically. Don't worry, unlike other companies, your data is securely stored in Australia. Create and verify your password. Enter a voucher code or a friend's referral code if they've introduced you to GoCatch. This gets you discounts on trips and awesome extras. Verify your mobile by entering the 5-digit SMS verification code we sent you. Add payment method and set it as your default payment type for a seamless hop-in, hop-out experience. GoCatch accepts credit cards, PayPal, Android Pay, and Apple Pay through the app. Be sure to add a personal payment method, as vouchers and credits will only apply to trips with a personal payment method selected. If you want to use your personal payment method for business, simply add it again and tag it as business. Once you're in, click the menu to view your profile. You can add additional payment methods by touching Account and then Payment Method. If you have another voucher, enter it from the menu bar in Vouchers before your trip. To book your GoCatch, you have plenty of options and will be able to see your local drivers in the app. You can book in advance from 30 minutes to 365 days in advance. For advance booking, simply tap the calendar to set the date and time. For immediate pickup, your location is automatically set. You can change this by moving the red pin or entering the desired pickup location and then just enter your destination. Select how you want to travel. From economy private hire, your affordable option, to classic taxi, multiple seat Maxis or premium GoCatch for those special nights out. Taxis and Maxis are able to use express lanes in most locations, and GoCatch maintains a fastest route guarantee where you won't pay more than the fastest route. Tap Next to get a fair estimate and confirm your pickup and drop-off location, payment method, and enter in any notes for your driver. If you're feeling generous or need to be picked up during peak hour, enter a driver incentive or tip. Once a driver confirms, you will see your driver's location, name and registration number. Every GoCatch driver goes through strict accreditation screenings. You can call or text your driver if you need to get in touch. We'll send you a notification when your driver is about to arrive. If there is ever an emergency during your trip, you can tap the SOS button to contact 000 to receive assistance. This also notifies our 24/7 support team, who will be in touch immediately. At the end of your trip, rate your driver with a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Your payment will be deducted from your selected payment method. For in-app payments, simply hop out and we'll send you the receipt to your email. For cash taxi trips, provide your driver with payment via cash or card before exiting the vehicle. If you enjoyed your trip, share your referral code with your friends and family. Your friend gets $20 and you get $10 on their third trip. Have a question about GoCatch? Our FAQs are under support, or if you need to get in touch with our team, tap Contact Us and let us know how we can help.